our laundry should be done in an hour. What's cool about this country is that like it's so hot out here, like you just hang to dry. What's crazy is that it's a blessing right now. Like we're at 158 subscribers. I'm like super hyped about that. What's cool is that like a lot of like these like trips and excursions we're doing it through an app called Klook. And I put it into a video when I was in the planes. But what was cool is that like a lot of these apps, like I'm very hesitant in booking stuff through like a website. But like Klook is very dependable. I've used it multiple times and they give you credit back to like give you a bit more discount for using them, which I love. It's like one of the coolest things right now. And so I'm gonna put my link below just to show you guys and you guys can check it out. And I also wanna keep my like, let you guys like put my like referral code for my American Express Cobalt card that helps pay for these trips. Honestly, like it just comes to the point where like when you collect all these points and you travel, right? It's all about like if you can take time off work. It's never a question of like how can I afford it. It's more about like when can I go, right? Which is it's minute, but like it's like game changer, in my opinion. And this is what I love. And so, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go do some editing and we're gonna go from there. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, man. Hotel. Again, I love the space theme they got going here.
One hour later.
I'm just heading over right now, over to meet my buddy Dave. I just looked up the place that me and Dave were kind of coordinating to go. And it was about a 17-minute walk. It's not too bad, so I'm about to come up to see Dave. I think House at Mesa is right here. I think that's it. And I think the other place he was like recommending is somewhere around here as well. I don't know where it is. Honestly, Chiang Mai is still like underrated. I know when I arrived here, like back in 2016, it was just crazy to see like the amount of people that was here at that time. There's still a good amount of people though, but now it's like a little bit more leveled, tamed, relaxed. I love it. I'm just going up and down this place. Yeah, this is the place that Dave recommended. Casa Mesa is closed on a Sunday. By the way, I want to take a moment and appreciate this off-roading vehicle. Like, what? It's a camper. Like, look how crazy that looks. The rims? Oh, sorry. The rims? Like, this is cool. It has a full-on, like, thing up top and everything. It's nice. Little tow hook. Apparently has a National Geographic sticker on here. Cool. Oh, outdoor camping, 4-wheeler. Look, what do you have a 4-wheeler here? That's sick.
How long's the wait?
Huh?
How long's the wait?
I don't know. I didn't even check.
Oh, find out.
Yeah. What's going on? It's Dave. No Dave from back home. It's still wild, bro. Like just to come out here and like we're both in the same town.
Oh man, it's busy.
I know, it's packed, bro.
We should be okay for two though.
And that's what I'm saying. I was like, maybe it's just the two of us, then it should be all right. Can
we go on the list?
Oh shit.
What am I gonna get?
Oh. So Dave and I over here, we just made it to our like Michellin Star restaurant. We went for smoothies, and I'm excited to try this because, like, as you know, I pointed on the wall over there, it's consecutive from 2020, 21, 22, 23, and then so which is insane. But I'm gonna do cow soy. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So yeah, Dave and I just decided to get a ton of these foods. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Bro. But we know how like hard it is to get these dishes back home, so we thought, you know what, let's just go all out. Unless you're like, you can home make this stuff. So, but
Yeah, man. Not too many restaurants serve this stuff back at home.
Yeah.
Anyway.
fuck yeah, man. I love this food. Straight up, right now, I'm like just dying of how spicy it is. And I've been into this one right here. Straight up, like I did not know. Just devoured that thing, and then like I left that piece out there, but spicy as hell. I love it though. I would not trade this for anything in the world. I straight up, no, not lie.
Spicy.
Oh,
Not too spicy.
pork rinds, right?
Yeah.
I love it. That was really, really fun to get to like see Dave again and everything, right? Tomorrow I'm heading over to Vietnam, and so we're gonna be taking off. But man, super fun to see him. It's wild to see somebody back from back home, our own like town and whatnot of area. So it's insane. I love it. We had a great time.
Moments later.
Battery's like 16%. Oh my god. No. No. Fuck. I should have invested into another battery. Damn it. I wanted to show you guys that like Brittany and I are about to take off tomorrow. Tonight is our last night here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and we are heading off. So it's weird because like I've bought only like 3 shirts and actually 4 shirts. 4 shirts. What else did I buy?
That was it.
And a bunch of like little bug sprays and stuff like that, little things.
Yeah.
But it almost feels like it's heavier now.
Yeah, when it shouldn't be that much heavier.
No, 15% life. Shit. All right. Whatever. I'm gonna go with this then. We'll go for this from there. So hype right now. Brittany and I are actually just gonna go check out the night market, and then we're so hyped. It's all the way over there. I'm gonna conserve battery life, and we're gonna jump back on in a second because I'm only like 15%. Fucking sad. I'm too cheap to go buy another one as well too. Like another like battery for this. I didn't think I would have this problem.
Well, you haven't had this problem until now, so.
Yeah, because I'm actually recording stuff. But anyways, see you in a bit. So quite honestly, it's actually a lot better than a little bit earlier. I think a lot of people have left now. But like this thing like extends back and in sections over there. And then like, who knows? I don't even know how far this extends. Brittany and I were just looking around. But like, they got everything. Knickknacks. So hype. It's just like, how do you feel, baby?
I love this shit. I love like little flea markets. I love like little knick-knacky things. I love going and seeing what people have created, and I love the chaos of it.
I almost want to get one more Chiang Mai shirt on the go. Say one. Oh my god. Yo. Look at all these rings.
Early the next morning.
It's about 6:30 in the morning. There's a little cool Mustang in the background here. I love it. We just walked down a random street. Wonderful architecture. I know. This is what I'm talking about with Thailand. It's like you don't know what you'll find, and the exploration is so endless. Like, what? Cocktail bar, but you can go on the roof up there. RC massage place. DP since 2000. This is someone's home. Yeah. Oh my god. Does this do us any justice? I don't want to go up. This lady was sweeping there. but maybe I can go in the corner and see. Wow. Oh, gotta go. Wow, that was someone's home. That is so cool. I don't even know what this place is called, but I can't even see the name. I don't know. But anyways, I love it. I'm gonna try to get a video of it later. The smoothie bowl is awesome. I need to detox a little bit because Dave and I literally feasted for like, ate a meal that was literally meant for like 6 people. It was so good though. No regrets.
You could just. Yeah, you did. You made cashew chicken.
That place was really, really good. Boutique hotel.
Yeah.
We're heading off to Vietnam, and I'm actually really bummed. Like, I love Chiang Mai, Thailand so much, and just it's kind of bittersweet. There's a lot of emotions, a lot of fun, a lot of going down memory lanes, and went through a spiritual trip, and super fun. I'm gonna miss it so much.